Well, joining us now is Willard Wright, an insurance broker. Willard, thank you very much for your time. Last year, insurance companies said that they would deal with claims under the storm damage category. Is that going to cover claims for this year with the weather we've been having?
Yes, it will. The background to this is that previously people had to have an accidental damage extension on the home insurance, but there was a legal case in 1989, Glasgow Training Group versus Lombard Continental Insurance, and the outcome of that was that the judge decreed and set a legal precedent that said that the circumstances, when they were so unusual as they have been in this region recently, and when they are so unusual, people can rely upon the peril of storm under their household insurance or their business insurance to claim for such unusual damage, particularly arising from the weight of snow.
Right.
And does that cover, I mean, as I look at my guttering, I'm a bit worried. Does that cover things like guttering, burst pipes, leaks, all that sort of thing?
Well, burst pipes we could deal with separately, but the guttering, it certainly does. The guttering, because of the sheer weight of snow, your guttering can collapse quite quickly, and in the past, perhaps in areas where there hadn't been so much snow, the gutters would have withstood this weight of snow, but in this year, and like last year, you are able to claim for guttering damage to your house.
Right, so you mentioned burst pipes there. Does it mean that you have to have a different kind of insurance then to be covered for your burst pipes?
Well, the issue with burst pipes, it usually arises when there's a thaw. In this region, we haven't got to that stage yet. No. But when it does arise, and there will be a lot of burst pipe claims, the resultant damage caused by the water from burst pipes is always covered. Everybody's insurance policy covers water damage arising from bursting of pipes. The issue here is going to be whether the damage to the pipe itself and the repair costs for the pipe itself are going to be covered. Normally they're not. You might try and claim on the basis that it's unusual circumstances, you've got such low temperatures for such a prolonged period that the bursting of your pipes has been due to it, but you would just have to try. You could just try.
Well, there's so much to talk about. There's just not enough time. If people perhaps have some questions, they can email them to us, and we can perhaps put them in touch with you.
Yeah, delighted
Great.
to do
Thank you
that.
very much.
Thank you.
For joining us.
Thank you.
Thanks.